How to set up Sellfy store to sell digital products. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Sellfy store to sell digital products. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Sellfy, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Sellfy, it is a versatile e-commerce platform designed for creators and entrepreneurs to easily sell a variety of products including digital goods, physical merchandise, and print-on-demand items, in which it aims to simplify the online selling process with user-friendly features that allow users to set up their stores quickly without needing extensive technical knowledge, in which the platform includes built-in marketing tools such as email campaigns, discount codes, and analytics to help sellers tracking their performance and engage with customers effectively. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner, and upon clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on this page. And from here, all you need to do is simply enter here your first name, your email address, and also your password. Or you could also sign up using your Google account in here. And after signing in, you'll now be directed on this page. And all you need to do is simply enter here your name and also your store link. Then click the next button to proceed to the next step, in which from here, just select what do you want to sell. We have here digital subscription, physical products, and print-on-demand products in here. Then just click the next button to proceed. Then from here, can you select the categories that you want to sell. Then proceed by clicking the next button in here. And after that, you could also add here your socials, or you could also skip this part. And after that, you will now be able to be directed on this dashboard of sellfy.com. And it will show you on the website panel some of the options that you can start navigating, such as home, analytics, products, and many more. While under this home, it will show you how you can set up your store in here. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply add here your store product in here. And in order to do that, kindly proceed by clicking the products option in here and click add new product. And it will show you a variety of options in here that you can add a product such as digital product, print-on-demand, subscription, and physical product or freebie in here. But since we're trying to sell your digital product, we're going to choose this one. And after that, from here, we can simply browse our computer to add the product files, in which this is basically what the customer will get after they try to purchase our product in here. You can choose to upload here PDF files from your computer, depending on what kind of digital product that you want or you're trying to sell in here. And after successfully uploading the product files, you'll now be able to see here the result. Now after that, below here, you could also add here the product name. For example, since the product files that I upload or I'm trying to sell here a poster, I'm going to enter here the product name, which is poster design. And after entering here the product name, below you could also add here a product description that describe the product or digital product that you're selling, which is the poster. And since I edited it on Canva, I'm going to enter here Canva design of aesthetic poster. You could also highlight this and use some of the editing tools that you can find in here on the top panel and simply design your product description that you prefer. You could also make it bold, italic, underline, and many more. And even upload here an image if you want to. And aside from that, below here, you could also add or choose the product category by clicking this add new and simply enter here the title of this new category and also a slug. Then proceed by clicking the save button to proceed. However, at this point, I'm not going to enter this product category. Moving on, below here under product preview, you could also add here a thumbnail of this digital product that you are selling. So I'm just going to upload from my computer files in here. So this is basically what it looks like. Now moving on, below here under price settings, you could also set up or enter here the price. Or alternatively, you could also set up the price depending on what kind of currency that you prefer. But I'm going to set up here 25 US dollar. Or you could also set up this one to pay what you want for the customer to pay for the prices that they prefer. Now under this is stock, you could also add here either unlimited, or if you want to make it limited edition, you could enter here the number of stock that is available for this digital item. Well, for the variant, you could also add here a variant if you want to. Now by clicking the save product button on the top right corner, you'll now be able to see here that we have now successfully created our first product. So you can click this view in store in order to see what it looks like in our online store when a customer tries to visit our store in here. Now as you can see, this is basically what it looks like with here the image of the poster, while on the right side, the price is a bit and also the description below here. Now going back on this page, aside from that, you could also navigate on the left side panel, such as this physical product if you want to make or add a new product on your store, or this print on demand. By clicking this add new product button on the top right corner, you can simply sell a custom printed t-shirt, hoodies, mugs, with your own design in here. So from here you can simply choose different kind of products such as cup, t-shirt, and many more. Then just simply upload the design that you want to be printed on those products. Moving on, you can also navigate this orders option on the left side panel, wherein it will show you the list of your orders by the customer. You could also select here this unfulfilled, export, and even the list of your customer, and you could navigate. So you should see here the list of your all customer that has been purchased to your store, and even the list of subscribers in here. But to start customizing your online store, just click the store settings right here, which upon clicking on it, just click customize store button to proceed customizing your online store. And upon clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on this page right here. And now at this point, we can simply click to any of these elements such as this home on the left side panel. You could also start choosing to any of this kind of style, such as by choosing the store theme by clicking this browse theme in here, and simply choose the kind of theme that you prefer on the left side panel. Then click apply to proceed. And now as you can see, the theme of this store has now been changed. You could also change the store width depending on your preferences, and even the background color in here by choosing this color palette. For instance, I'm going to select here this color. Or alternatively, below here you could also upload an image if you want to as your background photo in here. But going back in here, as you can see that the background of this store has now been changed into this color. Going back in here, you could also navigate some of these pages such as this product, where you could also start customizing the information and also the layout, the design in here. But if you're now done, you can now click the publish button on the top right corner to proceed. And after it has been saved successfully, we can now leave on this page by clicking this icon right here. Now going back on this page again, on the left side panel under our store, you could also customize some other things including these payment settings, where you could also choose the primary account currency in here, which is USD, and also set up or connect your Stripe account and even your PayPal account in here by clicking this button below and start linking your account. Now moving on to these shipping settings, you could also add here your new shipping rate and also add a pickup option in here if you want to. By simply filling out all of this required information, you can also set up easily your shipping profile in here. But moving on, going back on this page, aside from that, you could also navigate on the left side panel these custom fields, wherein you can set up what of the things or what kind of fields you want your customer to fill out in purchasing one of your items that you're selling in your store. We have here full name, email, agreed terms, newsletter, subscription, and shipping information. While under these embed options, you can also see here the embed code that you can copy and paste directly on other application if you want to. You can also navigate here these taxes to set up the tax amounts of your products, the invoice settings, and even under this marketing, these discount options that we can set up our discount code, coupons, and many more. Well, under this email marketing, you could also create a campaign for your subscribers and customer to be notified. And it will show you here all of the data, including the customer's number, subscribers, the number of email has been sent, and even the purchase credits in here. Well, under this affiliate program, you can enable this to increase your sales and grow your business by partnering with affiliates. But overall, that is just basically how you can set up Sellfy store to sell digital products. Thank you.